Yes, people love iPhones for a variety of reasons, and it's not just about the specs, it's about the experience. Here are some key reasons why iPhones are so popular. 1. Smooth and user-friendly experience. Apple's iOS is simple, clean, and easy to use. Even people who aren't tech-savvy find iPhones intuitive compared to many Android devices. 2. Seamless ecosystem. If you have other Apple products, MacBook, iPad, Apple Watch, AirPods, everything syncs effortlessly. Features like AirDrop, Handoff, and iCloud make switching between devices seamless. 3. Consistent and long-term software updates. Unlike Android phones, which may get updates inconsistently, iPhones receive software updates for years. Even a 5-year-old iPhone can still run the latest iOS version smoothly. 4. Premium build quality. Apple always uses high-quality materials like surgical-grade stainless steel and ceramic shields, making iPhones feel premium and durable. 5. Best-in-class camera performance. iPhones consistently deliver excellent camera performance, especially in video recording. The computational photography and Apple's image processing make photos and videos look stunning. 6. Strong privacy and security. Apple prioritizes user privacy with features like app tracking transparency, Face ID encryption, and end-to-end iMessage encryption, giving users a sense of security. 7. Resale value. Unlike most Android phones, iPhones hold their value longer. If you upgrade, you can sell your old iPhone for a good price compared to many Android flagships. 8. Optimized performance, no bloatware. Apple controls both the hardware and software, meaning iPhones run super efficiently without extra bloatware slowing them down. 9. Status symbol and brand loyalty. For some, owning an iPhone is a status symbol. The Apple logo represents luxury, reliability, and cutting-edge technology, making people feel part of an exclusive club. 10. Customer support and reliability. Apple offers amazing customer support with AppleCare, Genius Bars, and official repair programs, ensuring users feel taken care of. Light bulb. At the end of the day, people love iPhones because they offer a smooth, high-quality, and reliable experience that just works. Rocket Mobile Phone. Are you an iPhone fan, or do you prefer another brand?